Thank you and welcome to our fifth video. And this time we are looking at the forms of adverbs. The forms of adverbs, how adverbs are formed. How can we form adverbs? So by the end of this video lesson, you'll be able to form your own adverbs. But before we do that, I have this preparation question for you. The first one is very simple. What two letters are added to an adjective to make adverb? Okay, so if you look at examples of adverbs, especially adverb of manner, there are two letters that we add to adjective to get adverb. So write those letters. The second one is which adverbs are the same as the adjectives. There are some adverbs, they have the same form, the same pronunciation as adjectives. So look for those adverbs, okay, or those words. Internet can help you. If you Google the adverbs that are the same as adjectives, you might get a lot of them. Then you write few of them for me. Then number 3, which is the adverb from good? If you look at the word good, it's an adjective. So what is the adverb form of good? Look for that one as well. Then 4, which 4 adverbs can describe other adverbs? If you go back to our previous video, that is video 4, you can get some of them. Then you look for others yourself. There are some adverbs that are mostly modify other adverbs. So look for 4. Then the 5th one, adverbs that can describe how people do things. Go after the verb, that's the adverb of manner. So state whether this statement is true or false. Okay. Then the last one, adverbs that describe adjectives or another adverbs. Go before the adverbs or the adjectives. Is it true or false? So try and think critically to answer these questions before you continue your video. Now, let's look at some facts about the formation of adverbs. The first one, adverbs or adverb can be a single word, or it can be an adverbial phrase. For example, if you look at the word very, it's a single word, so it's an adverb. Very dangerously is adverbial phrase. Why? Because we have more than one adverb. We have 2, very plus dangerously. So that is adverbial phrase. 2, usually adverbs are formed from adjectives by means of ending ly or ably. Okay, simply put, there are some adjectives, you just add your ly to get your adverb. For example, we have quick plus ly, you get quickly. Okay, so look for more. Then we have understandable as an adjective. When you add ly to it, you have understandably. Okay, don't forget that you omit e before you add your y, or you can remove le, then you add your ly to get understandably. Okay, so this is how adverbs are formed. So check more for yourself. Then we have some adverbs that have the same form and pronunciation as other parts of speech. For example, adjectives. Okay, that is an activity you did in the previous video. We have some adjectives, they are the same as adverbs. For example, fast. It depends how you use it in a sentence. So if you are using them, make sure you use them well for the reader to know that, oh, you've used fast as an adjective, or you use it as an adverb. We shall be looking at examples very soon. Then we have pretty, early, straight. You see that all these are adjectives, and at the same time they are adverbs. So if you are using any of these, make sure that if you are using them as adjectives, they modify noun. If you are using them as adverb, then they modify either verb or adjectives, or even the adverb itself. We can also have prepositions like up, about, around, and they are the same form in adverbs. Let's look at the examples. Example 1. The fast train is coming. The fast train. So if you look at the noun train, is being described by the word fast. Okay, as we all know, adjective describes noun. So in this context, the word fast has been used as an adjective. Let's look at this one. The train runs fast. You see the verb runs. How does the train run? You say, oh, the train runs fast. So the word fast in this context or in this sentence is what? An adverb. I hope you get it. Then number 2, I went up. Okay, up is a preposition, you all know. But in this context, we have the verb went. Okay, so it tells you that this up is an adverb, or you can say it's a preposition functioning as an adverb. So these are a few examples for you, and I hope you also look for more examples yourself. Now we are moving on to our next video that will talk about the kinds of adverbs. We are going to look at the various types of adverbs in brief. Then we look at how we can use them in meaningful sentences. So let's move on to our 6th video. Thank you.